Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Mike and Myra. I'm Mike. Great to have you here.
Hi, Mike, and hi, everyone. It's always a pleasure to join you. Thanks for tuning in again.
Today, we have a super simple and useful topic for all English beginners. We're going to talk about our daily routine, what we do every day, from waking up to going to bed. It's a great way to learn basic verbs and phrases in English.
Section 1. Morning Routine.
Let's start with the morning. What's the first thing you do when you wake up, Myra?
The first thing I do is wake up, usually around 7 a.m. Then I get out of bed.
Me too. Get out of bed. That's a useful phrase. After that, I go to the bathroom, wash my face, and brush my teeth.
Exactly. Then I go to the kitchen and make breakfast. I usually have coffee and toast or sometimes fruit.
Nice. I usually have tea and cereal. After breakfast, I get dressed. I choose my clothes and put them on.
And if I'm going out, I also put on my shoes and maybe a coat. Then I leave the house and go to work.
Section 2. During the day.
When I get to work, I usually sit at my desk, use my computer, answer emails, and write reports.
That sounds like my day too. Sometimes I also have meetings with my team. If I'm working from home, I might write articles or prepare lessons.
Same here. And around noon, I have lunch. Usually something light, a sandwich or a salad.
Yum! I sometimes bring my lunch from home or I go out to eat. Then it's back to work until the end of the day.
Section 3. Evening Routine.
After work, I go home. Sometimes I relax on the sofa and watch TV.
I like that too. Sometimes I cook dinner, maybe pasta or a simple soup. I enjoy trying new recipes.
Nice. After dinner, I usually wash the dishes. Not my favorite part, but it has to be done.
Then I might read a book or talk to my family. Sometimes I just listen to music to relax.
What kind of music do you like?
Mostly soft, relaxing music in the evening. Before bed, I brush my teeth again and go to bed around 11:30.
I try to go to bed around 10:30 or 11. A good sleep helps me feel ready for the next day.
Let's learn and practice some of the key verbs we use today.
We'll say each one slowly. You can repeat after us and learn the meaning too.
Repeat after us.
Say it with me. Wake up. It means to stop sleeping. I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Now you try. Wake up. Great. Next one. Brush your teeth. It means clean your teeth using a toothbrush. I brush my teeth in the morning.
Now your turn. Say it with us. Brush your teeth. Excellent. How about this one? Make breakfast. It means prepare food in the morning. Example. I make eggs and toast.
Say it with us. Make breakfast. Good job. Let's do two more.
Go to work. This means leave your home and travel to your job.
Say it with us. Go to work.
Last one. Go to bed. This means lie down to sleep at night. I go to bed at 11 o'clock.
Repeat after me. Go to bed. Perfect.
Quick quiz. Verbal.
Now let's play a quick game. We'll say the verb, and you tell us. What does it mean?
Okay, first one. Get dressed. What do you think it means?
Yes. It means put on your clothes.
Next one. Have lunch. What does that mean? Correct. Eat your midday meal.
Well done. Learning verbs can be fun when you use them. Now it's your turn. Try to talk about your own day in English.
Start simple. Think, when do I wake up? What do I eat for breakfast? What do I do in the evening?
Writing activity. You can even write it down like this.
I wake up at 6:30. I brush my teeth. I make tea. I go to work.
Writing helps you remember words better. And speaking out loud makes your English more confident.
Tell us in the comments, what is your daily routine?
We'd love to read about your day. And we might even use it in our next episode.
Remember, you're learning every time you practice. Even small steps are big progress.
Don't give up. You're doing great. Thanks for joining us today on English Podcast with Mike and Myra, brought to you by Cambridge Veritas.
If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to our channel, maybe the video, and share it with a friend who is learning English too.
Until next time, keep practicing, stay positive, and
Have a great day. Bye.
have a great day. Bye.